To get started using the FluentC Figma plugin, first go to dashboard.fluency.io and sign into your account, or create a new account if you have not created one. Once you log in, click the API keys link in the side navigation. Here you will see your API key. Copy this key to your clipboard. Next, in Figma, open your design file. Select Plugins from the top menu, mouse over FluentC Translation, then select Set API Key. Enter your API key, then click Save. You are now set up to begin using the plugin. Try it out by selecting some text in your design, choose a language to translate to, then either select Preview to preview the translation, or insert as new layer to copy the translation into your design. Please note, your original text will remain in your document as a hidden layer. Thanks for choosing FluentC.